Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. In this training video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through our new client notification template for Bill to Account, which will be sent to your clients when they charge a transaction or part of a transaction to their account balance. In order to see if the Bill to Account notification is set up, first of all, head on over to the Setup option. From Setup, you're going to go under Notification, and from Notification, head on over to Client Notifications. You're going to scroll down until you hit the Billing section, and under the Billing section, you will now see the new client notification called Bill to Account. And as you can see, as per the description, it is sent to the client when a purchase made has been billed to their account balance. So this effectively will be replacing the membership payment Bill to Account notification that we previously had in the system. So let's take a look at how that looks like. We're going to go ahead and edit this template. Now that we're on the template, as with any other client notifications, we can either set it up as an email, SMS, or push notification. So going back to the email tab, we're going to scroll down. We have our email send rules as usual. We have the from name, from email address, send BCC or CC. The subject line is Bill to Account. So if you want to change this to something else that makes more sense to your clients, go ahead and do that. We can also expand the list of email variables that can be used on this specific template. Moving further down, we have the actual content. So as you can see right now, we already have a default template that simply goes, dear full name, your payment of amount towards purchase has been charged to your account balance on the specific date. So this is going to be a great tool for our clients so that businesses can automatically have the system notify their clients when their account has been billed for transactions so that they're kept aware of it and they know that they have an owing balance on their account that they have to pay the business back. So in that case, it eliminates the need for your staff to have to keep following up with the clients individually. In this case, they get that automatic notification and they'll be kept on par with how much they owe. So let's take a look at how a client will actually see it from their end if an email is sent to them. So now I'm on a test email that I sent myself. As you can see, I have the logo, the new actual subject, and then I have the content itself. So dear Janice, your payment of $250 towards test product has been charged to your account balance on December 2nd, 2021. So that's how that's going to look like as a default template to your clients. Obviously, if you make changes to it or you add or remove things from it, it'll look with the verbiage that you have the way that you want it to show to your clients.